Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we shall be looking at another question from group theory. In this question, they are saying what symmetry property do the words MOW, SIS and SWIMS have when they are written in uppercase letters. So let's see what symmetry do they have. So if I write first of all this word MOW, right? Now you can very clearly see if you rotate this thing by 180 degree, what would happen to this M? This M would come to the position of W and moreover it would be flipped, right? How? Because this M, it was initially like this. When you rotate it by 90 degree, how it would look like? It would look like this. And when you rotate it again by 90 degree, it would look like this, right? This is how it would look like. So from here you can clearly see that, or would it look like this? So when you rotate it by 90 degree, it would look like this, right? And when you rotate it again by 90 degree, it would look like this. And you again rotate it by 90 degree, it would look like this, and when you rotate it by 90 degree, it would look like this. Yes, this would be the cycle. So here you can clearly see when you rotate it by 180 degree, that means we are moving from here to here, it would be converted to the letter W, right? So I have marked this by blue color here and blue color here, showing that this M is the same as this W when rotated by 180 degree. O would be the same because this is spherical in nature, right? This is oval in nature. Hence, when you rotate it by 180 degree, this portion would come to this portion and the lower portion would go to the upper portion. So O would remain O, correct? What about this W? This W would be converted to this M here by the similar process. So this is what happens to the word MOW. It remains the same when it is rotated by 180 degree, correct? So that means it possesses this 180 degree rotation symmetry. What about the letter SIS? So you see for the letter S here, when you rotate it, what would happen to this? This would again become like this, right? Because it would become like this and then it would go like this, correct? So this would be the cycle here for this S. So you see when you rotate it by 180 degree, this S would remain the same. Therefore, we on rotating it by 180 degree, the word SIS would be the same as the word SIS. However, this S would go to the last position here and this S would go to this position, the first position here, right? What about the word SWIMS? SWIMS. So here this S, as I've told you earlier, would come to the last position here and still be S by 180 degree rotation. This W would go to the second last position and become M. I would be I. Why? Because the cycle for I would be like this. So when you rotate it by 90 degree, it would be like this. When you again rotate it by 90 degree, it would be like this. Again like this, and again like this. Hence, we have the same digit when we rotate it by 180 degree, correct? So this I would be I. This M would come to the second position and now become W, and this S would come to the first position and would still remain S. So therefore, rotations of the word MOW, SIS and SWIMS, they give back the same words, right? And moreover, these words, they possess 180 degree rotational symmetry. So this is the answer to our question. So I hope you understood this question well. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.